So we talked about food groups, we talked about why food is important, why we talked about how food is consumed and what does it do in our body. Uh, the food that is not consumed, that is stored in our body. And all non-consumed food is stored in the form of fat. You're familiar, most of us are familiar with that, especially those who have sedentary lifestyle and desk jobs who rarely get to, have activities, and people who eat a lot of processed food. Why processed food, why fast food or junk, what we call junk food, is not as beneficial for health as more wholesome and natural food is. We'll be talking a lot about those things as well. But right now, I want to remind you that all the food that we take into our system, but we don't consume, is stored in our body as fat. So if you were wondering where does all this fat come from, this is not consumed food that goes into our body and stays there. Now different food groups take different amount of energy, effort or process to break down into energy particles. So that's why we need different kind of activities. For example, if we eat fat-rich foods or if we eat protein-rich foods, there's a different kind of reaction that our body has, and different things happen to these food groups. We will talk more about these as well. Now, fluids play a very, very important role in our body, and many people are dehydrated, even though some think, many people I talk to, they always tell me that, oh, no, but we drink enough water, we drink a lot of water. When I ask them how much, almost none of them can tell me how much water they drink. They just have this perception that since they're not thirsty, they're drinking enough water, but they're not. Now, here is the general broad measure for it. It varies with the body type, the body size, the age group, the male, female, etc. But generally speaking, a glass of water every hour, 45 minutes to an hour. I know it's not easy. I know it makes you go to bathroom. I know, you know, it's not fun. But taking drugs, going to doctor, uh, getting sick is not fun either. It's not fun really. So choice is yours. You want to stay healthy, you want to drink more water, more fluids. Fluids are easily absorbed faster than solid food into our body, and they give comparatively more instant energy to us. And then you need to remember that fluids are very, very important. Water is very important for us for blood circulation, because remember I told you that blood carries all the oxygen and the food to our entire body. And now I will talk about how blood works and how it helps us in our health in the next video.